In this video here, we're going to take a look through a really cool and interesting website, Gardencup, kind of point out some of the things that they're doing on their website, maybe some things that you can implement into your own website to really help improve the customer shopping experience. So right off the bat, one thing that immediately catches your eye is the announcement bar here that it changes every few seconds. Now, an announcement bar is useful because it lets customers know what's going on with your brand. Maybe you want to include shipping information, maybe you want to include deals or certain percentages that they can get off if they maybe add a code or they sign up for a newsletter. And so this announcement bar here, instead of just showing it static, so it's just the words, they're actually switching through every few seconds. Maybe that could be something that you could look into doing as well if you have multiple items that you'd like to share with customers. And the nice thing is they're all links. So if you click on the link, it will take you to whatever page or whatever location you want customers to know more about. So very cool, very interesting there. One other thing that you'll notice, which I also liked here, is this logo banner that revolves with the different brands that the company works with, and maybe the different brands that sponsor this product here. If you're a merchant and you work with a lot of different brands, maybe you sell a lot of different brands, popular brands that customers might know about, and you think that these brands are going to help improve your social proof, feel free to add in a logo banner like this. They're not terribly difficult to set up. They're very easy, and it's something that can really, once again, help with the social proof because customers know that, okay, this brand worked with this brand or they sell this brand, and this is the trusted brand that I've engaged with before or a brand that I've seen before. And so this is going to really increase the confidence that I have in this brand because I know that they've worked with other popular brands. So very, very cool and very good here. You'll also notice they have a very clear title here: inspired salads ready to eat. Get delicious on-the-go salads, soups, and bowls delivered right to your door. So this is very clear. It's clear to me what it is that they can offer to me. It says ready to eat. So if I'm somebody that's busy, I know that this is going to come packaged ready for me, that I can just get the package and eat right away. So you want to have a clear text here. This copy on your hero section needs to be as clear as possible, sharing with customers what it is that you do, what you offer, how they can benefit with a clear call to action and a clear image. So very good job by Garden Cup here. And again, I also, as we come down here, I like the slider that they have here, that you can slide through the various products and kind of see what it is that they offer here. Now, if you have a collection and you offer a lot of different items, consider adding a slider like this, because customers can then slide through and see the various options instead of maybe having to scroll through and see, 3 in a row for a long time. They can just easily scroll through your slider here. You notice that you actually have the option to check out the different options that they offer. So whether it's salads, soups, power cups, produce, you want to take a look through, they have this slider that you can look through the various options. And so sliders, you can never go wrong with sliders and including them in your website, especially like we mentioned, if you have a lot of products that you offer on your website. Now, if you're if you're a merchant or if your business model is similar to this, that maybe customers need to bundle options or they need to order in a special manner, adding a how it works section is a good idea as well, because if there's a process that customers need to go through and you're sharing with them how the process works, it's just going to make it easier for them to engage with your brand, because now you're sharing exactly what happens when they engage with you. In this case, you build the pack and you can stock it in the fridge and then you can enjoy your options. And the cool thing is they've shared this with customers, so now customers, when they engage with the brand, they already have an idea of how the shopping experience is going to be with the company. So adding and how it works or a process or something like that, again, just really helps simplify the shopping experience for customers. Again, sharing, more products here. It doesn't hurt to add the different collections and add the different products that you offer here on your website. Um, Now, one thing that a lot of brands do, which I've seen and I'm sure you've seen as well, is if you come to the bottom here, you're going to the social media posts of the brand. So this is something that is good for you to add to your website as well. It's usually on the bottom. Add in your IG posts and share either what you're posting on Instagram and maybe what other people are posting. This again is really great for social proof as well, because if a customer is maybe engaging with your brand for the first time, maybe they've come from an ad, or maybe they saw your post on Instagram and they go to your website to get a sense of what it is that you offer, and they see maybe other people have engaged with the brand, it's going to help build their faith, their it's going to help build their confidence in you, and really what it is that you offer, because they're able to see that other people are engaging with your brand. And so this is clearly a trusted brand. And so this might be something to consider adding as well, your social media posts here on your website. So there's a lot of things that this brand is doing well, but I just wanted to point out some of these things to give you some ideas if you're looking for ways to improve your website. A lot of cool things. If you want to come check out their website as well, gardencup.com. But just looking for ways to constantly improve and improve the shopping experience of your website. So I hope this video was helpful and gave you some ideas. If you saw something from this video that you think you'd like to implement on your website, if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, please feel free to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to have a conversation and see what we can do to improve your website. And once again, I really do hope this video was helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you're looking to make some of these customizations to your website, and I'll be more than happy to help out.